Welcome to Easy English Listening. In this video, you will listen and repeat each sentence 2 times. Relax, focus, and enjoy the practice. Confidence grows through action, not perfection. Confidence grows through action, not perfection. Taking small steps every day builds real inner strength. Taking small steps every day builds real inner strength. You don't need to feel ready to begin. You don't need to feel ready to begin. Mistakes are part of learning, not proof of failure. Mistakes are part of learning, not proof of failure. With practice, calmness becomes a source of confidence. With practice, calmness becomes a source of confidence. Trust your ability to handle situations as they arise. Trust your ability to handle situations as they arise. Over time, fear loses its power when you keep showing up. Over time, fear loses its power when you keep showing up. You are allowed to learn at your own pace. You are allowed to learn at your own pace. Speaking up matters, even when your voice feels unsure. Speaking up matters, even when your voice feels unsure. Progress feels quiet before it feels strong. Progress feels quiet before it feels strong. Staying calm helps confidence settle naturally. Staying calm helps confidence settle naturally. You don't need approval to trust yourself. You don't need approval to trust yourself. Each experience adds to your personal strength. Each experience adds to your personal strength. It's okay to pause before responding. It's okay to pause before responding. Confidence develops when you stop rushing yourself. Confidence develops when you stop rushing yourself. Let go of the need to be perfect. Let go of the need to be perfect. You grow stronger by facing discomfort patiently. You grow stronger by facing discomfort patiently. Some days feel easier and some don't, both are normal. Some days feel easier and some don't, both are normal. Self-trust builds through consistent effort. Self-trust builds through consistent effort. Being present reduces unnecessary self-doubt. Being present reduces unnecessary self-doubt. Allow confidence to exist alongside fear. Allow confidence to exist alongside fear. You can handle more than you think. You can handle more than you think. Growth often feels uncomfortable at first. Growth often feels uncomfortable at first. Confidence doesn't need to be loud to be real. Confidence doesn't need to be loud to be real. Taking responsibility builds self-respect. Taking responsibility builds self-respect. Overthinking fades when action begins. Overthinking fades when action begins. You are learning even when progress feels slow. You are learning even when progress feels slow. Stability comes from repeated small efforts. Stability comes from repeated small efforts. Confidence strengthens when you stay true to yourself. Confidence strengthens when you stay true to yourself. Every attempt is part of the process. Every attempt is part of the process. Choose progress over perfection. Choose progress over perfection. You don't need all the answers right now. You don't need all the answers right now. Calm breathing helps steady your thoughts. Calm breathing helps steady your thoughts. Confidence improves with experience, not comparison. Confidence improves with experience, not comparison. Allow yourself to take up space. Allow yourself to take up space. It's okay to move forward without certainty. It's okay to move forward without certainty. Trust develops when you keep your promises to yourself. Trust develops when you keep your promises to yourself. Confidence feels stronger when you stay grounded. Confidence feels stronger when you stay grounded. You are not behind, you are learning. You are not behind, you are learning. Consistency builds belief over time. Consistency builds belief over time. Let patience guide your growth. Let patience guide your growth. You can face challenges without judging yourself harshly. You can face challenges without judging yourself harshly. Confidence rises when you focus on effort. Confidence rises when you focus on effort. Uncertainty doesn't mean you are unprepared. Uncertainty doesn't mean you are unprepared. Self-respect grows with honest action. Self-respect grows with honest action. Speak clearly and stand by your words. Speak clearly and stand by your words. Confidence becomes natural through repetition. Confidence becomes natural through repetition. You don't have to prove your worth. You don't have to prove your worth. Staying calm supports clear thinking. Staying calm supports clear thinking. Experience teaches what confidence truly is. Experience teaches what confidence truly is. Allow yourself to learn from every situation. Allow yourself to learn from every situation. Progress happens even when it's invisible. Progress happens even when it's invisible. Confidence grows when you stop comparing paths. Confidence grows when you stop comparing paths. You are becoming more resilient with practice. You are becoming more resilient with practice. Small wins matter more than you realize. Small wins matter more than you realize. Move forward even when confidence feels fragile. Move forward even when confidence feels fragile. Trust yourself to adjust along the way. Trust yourself to adjust along the way. Confidence deepens when you remain consistent. Confidence deepens when you remain consistent. You are allowed to take things slowly. You are allowed to take things slowly. Calm focus leads to steady improvement. Calm focus leads to steady improvement. Let confidence develop in your own way. Let confidence develop in your own way. You can feel unsure and still move forward. You can feel unsure and still move forward. Confidence strengthens when you stay patient. Confidence strengthens when you stay patient. Every step builds experience. Every step builds experience. Trust the process, even when it feels quiet. Trust the process, even when it feels quiet. Great job finishing today's listening practice. Come back anytime you want to feel calm and confident in English. See you in the next easy English listening video.